How to use tablet mode in Windows 11. So if you want to use Windows 11 tablet mode, simply there has been an update from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Previously on Windows 10 you would be easily available to use, but on the latest version Windows 11 it does not have an option to manually turn tablet mode on or off. Windows 11 instead automatically turns tablet mode on or off with touch-capable window devices. So if your device is not touch-capable, it won't be there. Windows 11 tablet mode is automatically turned on when it detects a wired or wireless Bluetooth keyboard is detached from the Windows device, and when the Windows device is converted into a tablet form factor. And Windows 11 mode is automatically turned off also when a wired keyboard or a wireless Bluetooth keyboard is attached to the Windows device, or when the Windows device is converted to a traditional laptop form factor. So this has been the update on the case of Windows 11. If you want to read more on the Windows 10, you can find on the official website of Microsoft. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.